What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know this video looked a little different. Happy 4th. It's the 4th of July, and I'm like, I might as well just start the video off now because this is going to be a journey. So what I'm doing right now is packing up my car. Well, most of my things were packed already, but what I'm doing is trying to rearrange. So I got a bunch of stuff right here that needs to go in here, and it's not all going with me. I thought about that because I'm keeping a storage here. So these shoes, they're coming, but what I'm doing is I'm taking them out of these boxes. I'm gonna get the rest of my shoes out and I'm gonna put them in bags. Yeah, I know, it sucks. We'll put them in bags and leave the boxes in storage, and that will save me some space. And then a few other things are gonna go back to the store. So I have to rearrange for right now, and then when I hit the storage, and then that's when I'll like finalize everything, get my other shoes. And then I thought about like getting my shoes and my clothes, but if them clothes been in storage and I ain't worn them this long, I'm probably not gonna wear them, so I'm not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna worry about what I got right here, and then I can always buy more clothes. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to reorganize everything and prepare for this long 18-hour journey back to the crib. But happy 4th to y'all. So I'm just about to start packing bags on top right here, and then put some more bags in the front. My other front seat is full too, but it's all good. I just got to get to the storage, and then I can take the stuff out, and it won't be as much stuff. So let's get to that. Alright, so I got everything packed up, and it is so hot out here. I got these sweatpants on, but it's fully packed right now. Well, I got one more thing to put in there. I took some more shorts out. I got a couple more days, y'all. Probably about another week. I ain't trying to be here a whole another week. So a couple more days. Like I said, everything's gonna work out inside the car because there are things that I'm just letting go of. Taking some things out, some things that I wanted to just keep with me, but for what, man? Let it go. I ain't used it this long, probably not. But when I come back and then I, do the store sale and everything will be all good. But yeah, man, that was my task for the day. And it's like 10 in the morning. So I did that. Other than that, it's 4th of July. I'm probably chilling for real. It's too hot to be doing anything. But yeah, man, this is a whole journey. I hope y'all enjoying the video so far, man. So I'll see y'all whenever I got something else to show y'all. Day 2 of this journey, man. I had to take care of some stuff this morning, but I have some more great news as far as the bus, which is like checked off of my list. I literally have one more thing to get, well, 2 more things to get done, which can literally, one of them can be done today, and then everything can be complete tomorrow. It is the next day. It's July 5th. Yeah, man, good news keep coming in slowly but surely. God's timing, not mine. I really am just itching to get back home. But so one of the things can be done today. The other thing that I need to do is going to be done tomorrow for sure, because I handle what I need to handle. I'm so tired. I need to take a shower and eat something and lay down and just relax for the rest of the day. And it's 11 o'clock and I'm done for the day. I'm going to get me some rest, watch some TV. So yeah, man. All right. Alright, y'all, day 3. I am headed to my storage unit right now. I had to pack up all my shoes, bro. I'm not leaving my shoes. Even though I gotta come back in like 2 months and then, finish getting the rest of my stuff. But headed there, pack up my shoes, take some of this stuff out, rearrange again. Basically this little area right behind me. Gotta get that together, and then I got one more place to go. And then I think I'll be set to head out like Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll get back at y'all when I get to my storage room. Alright, y'all, so this is all the stuff in the storage, bro. I'm getting my shoes out right now. I already got a bag full right here. I'm getting another bag, and then I'm gonna put some stuff that's in my car in here, like where the shoes was at. So that's what I'm doing right now, so y'all can watch me do that. Alright, so I got all my shoes. Well, most of them. Some of them I don't really care for, which is only like 3-4 pair. I probably got like almost 200 pair of shoes now, which is crazy. But yeah, I got most of them. Now I'm gonna put this rest of this stuff back in there. Alright, man, took care of what I needed to take care of today. That is going to be day 3 for me. Day 4, I'm chilling. I ain't got nothing to do day 4. Probably head out day 5, day 6, but we gonna see.